Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Elixir Smart Classes for Spoken English. Today we have hold a discussion on the topic nepotism. Students are here, Dipanshi and Akshay. Yes, Dipanshi, what do you understand by the term nepotism? Tell us about its origin.
Nepotism means using your power or influence to give unfair advantage to your family, especially by giving them jobs. Like in film industry, star kids are given more advantage. Then in school and colleges, teachers, children are given more opportunities, and same is the case in corporate bodies and etc. Moving on to its origin, the term nepotism originated from an Italian word nepot, which means nephew. In ancient times, the practice of granting special favors to nephews and special relatives is known as nepotism. And it was in the 17th century when some Catholic popes and bishops who had taken vows of chastity and therefore usually had no legitimate offspring of their own, they gave their nephews such positions of preference or favoritism. It was a favoritism granted to them without the regard of their merit. It also takes form of employing relatives and appointing them to higher position.
Thanks, Dipanshi. Yes, Akshay, what do you speak about nepotism?
Nepotism is based on favoritism granted by relative in various fields. For example, sports, religions, business, etc. The word nepotism has been derived from Latin word nepos, which means nephew, an important position by the time of Catholic popes and bishops. The nepotism is criticized by several philosophers named as Aristotle and Bulwer.
Okay, yes, Dipanshi. Is this as worse as corruption? Is nepotism as worse as corruption? What do you say? What do you think about this?
Yes, nepotism goes hand in hand with the corruption. It goes both in public and private sector. Um, it is common in politics, judiciary, business, entertainment, etc. It also goes in religious circles, industries, and other types of organizations. It is as worse as corruption. Without considering about the merit of the candidate bestowed with high paying jobs, it is less concerned about how fatal it can prove for the department, because employing somebody on the basis of favoritism is not correct. If the person does not deserve that position or that job, he must not be granted with that job on the basis of favoritism.
Okay, thanks, Dipanshi. Yes, Akshay, do you agree with what Dipanshi has said?
Yes, ma'am. To elaborate it more further, I shall put the fourth of the ancient philosopher named Valver. He said that if we choose an unfit person for a job on the basis of favoritism, he could lead us to a
Endless follies.
endless follies.
Okay, thanks. Thanks, Akshay. Okay, Dipanshi, we see the growing nepotism in this Indian film industry. Do you have something to speak on this?
Yes, in Indian film industry, the actors have brought their children in the world of acting. No matter how capable or incapable they are, they boast about their position and privilege. The old actors, their children, all are in film industry. They have created such niche in the industry that their kids are given due advantage in this field. Due to this growing nepotism in Bollywood, the industry is not accepting these strugglers, and if they are accepting them, the strugglers are not getting good opportunities. In this pedigree of old actors, their children, and then their children, we see so many examples of nepotism.
Very nice,
Uh,
Dipanshi.
you,
Yes.
you might have heard these days people are quoting that the son of a terrorist is not always a terrorist. Then how could you say that the son of an actor is born to be an actor?
Very nice. Thank you, Dipanshi. Yes, Akshay. What about the strugglers and the freshers and those children who don't have the film
Such
background?
people struggle and suffer a lot, which have no family connection in industries. They struggle and sustain themselves in industries, and the candidate during job recruitment face many problems because favoritism plays its part, and the deserving candidate lose their job, and it could lead to very serious matter.
Yes, Dipanshi, do you have something to speak on this?
Yes, the recent death of Sushant Singh Rajput, who was considered as an outsider to the industry, his death has shocked all of us. Um, He was ostracized by the film fraternity despite being an accomplished actor, and this kind of injustice caused to the strugglers. Uh, Nepotism is practiced in the workplace in the whole world. If job vacancies arise in an office, in an organization, office or department, the boss selects his or her relatives to fill the vacant position, and those relatives who are selected are unqualified and are not and are not deserving to the position which they hold there. So this is not correct, and it is unfair with all those who are very hard workers and those who really deserve that position. So, and what happens? These 70% of the said appointees do not cooperate with the rest of the 30% of the qualified appointees, and as a result,
This lead to the
negative impact on the corporate
organization, corporate body. Thank you. That's nice. Akshay, what do you say? Is it possible to eradicate corruption from the society, from the country?
Yes, sound judgment is much important. Sound judgment is much important thoroughly and properly. In workplace, Leo Paradise is a progress of development of organized corporate body and agencies.
Tikanshi, you have something to say on this? Speak on this.
Yes, we can eradicate. It is possible to eradicate corruption from our society. Nepotism pursues corruption, and we all know about the bad outcome resulting from the practice of nepotism, which can even ruin the organization. It can be eradicated only by realization. If we realize that we should not do injustice with anyone on the name of favoritism, we should see the ability of the person who really deserves that position, and we should not grant jobs on the basis of favoritism. So it can be eradicated if we really realize that we are doing wrong with somebody, and a skilled person, a person with abilities, is losing his opportunities.
It's really nice to have both of you here. Thank you so much, Dipanshi. Thanks, Akshay, also.